Welcome back to Supercar, the channel where we take affordable adventure to the next level. If you're driving a Dacia Duster, you already know it's a surprisingly capable little 4x4. But if you're serious about tackling tougher trails, it's time to talk modifications. Today, we're diving into the two most essential 4x4 upgrades for your Duster lift kits and skid plates. Stick around to see how these mods transform your ride, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives. Ready to unlock the true off-road potential of your Duster? The first major hurdle for the stock Dacia Duster off-road is often its ground clearance. While decent for its class, tight trails and deep ruts can quickly leave you scraping the underside or, worse, getting totally stuck. That's why a suspension lift kit is priority number one. We're not talking about monster truck territory here, but a modest lift, typically 30mm to 50mm, can make a world of difference. This extra height allows you to clear obstacles that would stop a standard Duster dead in its tracks. Beyond clearance, these kits often provide stiffer springs and better shock absorbers, improving overall suspension travel and damping for a more comfortable and controlled ride when the tarmac ends. But how do you choose the right lift without breaking the bank or ruining your ride quality? For the Duster, you'll mainly encounter two types of lifts: spring and shock replacements and strut spacers. Strut spacers are the most budget-friendly and simplest to install. They sit on top of your existing suspension components and provide a fixed increase in height. They are a great starting point, but they don't change your suspension's performance. For the best blend of performance and height, look into complete spring and shock kits specifically designed for off-road use. They offer superior articulation, better handling on rough terrain, and maintain a higher level of ride comfort than simple spacers. Remember to always choose a kit from a reputable supplier that has been properly tested on the Duster platform to ensure component longevity and safety. So, you've lifted your Duster and can now climb over small boulders, but what happens when one of those boulders fights back? This brings us to the second, and arguably most critical, modification: skid plates, also known as sump guards or underbody protection. The Duster's vital components, like the engine sump, gearbox, fuel tank, and rear differential, are relatively exposed. Hitting a hidden rock, a sharp stump, or even a deep dip at speed can cause catastrophic and expensive damage. Skid plates act as a sacrificial shield. Made from durable materials like thick steel, aluminum, or heavy-duty polyethylene, they create a smooth, reinforced surface that allows you to slide over obstacles without tearing into your vehicle's core. So, where exactly should you prioritize protection on your Duster? While, yeah, a full set of underbody armor is the dream, if you have to choose, start with the engine and gearbox guard. This area houses the most expensive and fragile components, including, the oil sump and radiator. Next in line is the rear differential guard, especially crucial for the 4x4 models, since a damaged diff casing will stop your adventure immediately. And finally, consider fuel tank guards. Even though the Duster's tank is relatively tucked away, a puncture is honestly a major hazard. Look for skid plates that are bolt-on designs and cover the maximum area with the minimum number of access holes, making sure installation is straightforward, but the protection stays robust and comprehensive. Think of the lift kit and the skid plates not as two separate mods but as two parts of a single, highly effective system. A lift kit prevents contact with obstacles by increasing clearance, while skid plates protect your vehicle from the contact that inevitably still happens. A higher ride height combined with heavy-duty underbody protection means you can approach rough terrain with significantly more confidence, knowing that your Duster is defended from both the front and the underside. This synergy is what truly transforms the Dacia Duster from a capable soft roader into a genuine, resilient 4x4 vehicle that can handle weekend expeditions and challenging overland routes. Before you dive in and start ordering parts, there are a couple of final crucial details you need to keep in mind. First, tire size. Lifting your Duster will allow you to fit slightly larger, more aggressive all-terrain tires, which dramatically improve traction. Check the specifications for your lift to see the maximum recommended tire size without causing rubbing. Second, legalities and insurance. Always confirm that the modifications you are installing comply with local regulations, and inform your insurance provider, as any significant suspension change can affect your policy. Finally, DIY versus professional install. While spacers and some skid plates are manageable for a confident home mechanic, a full suspension replacement should often be entrusted to a professional to ensure all bolts are torqued correctly and alignment is maintained. So there you have it, the lift kit for superior clearance and performance, and the skid plates for essential non-negotiable protection. These two modifications will fundamentally change what you can do with your Dacia Duster. If you've already modified your Duster, let us know in the comments what your favorite upgrade has been. Thanks for watching the Supercar channel. If this video helped you plan your next Duster adventure, smash that like button. We'll see you on the next one.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drive the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you.